Introducing the Winmate ATEX Rugged Tablet M101AD-EX, a purpose-built industrial tablet designed for reliable performance in hazardous environments, such as the oil and gas, chemical, and mining industries. The M101AD-EX features a 10.1-inch PCAP multi-touch display, ideal for both gloved and bare finger operation. It runs on the powerful Intel Core Alder Lake processor, delivering responsive multitasking performance for field engineers and technicians. Weighing just 1.2 kilograms, this lightweight design is optimized for mobility. Whether you're walking across a refinery floor or scaling a platform, the tablet travels with you effortlessly. The M101AD-EX is built tough. With an IP65 rating, it is fully dust-proof and water-resistant. It also complies with the American military standard 810H, meaning it can withstand harsh drops and continue to function. Operating reliably in temperatures from -10 to 50 degrees Celsius, it's ready for both desert oil fields and cold storage chemical plants. Its sunlight-readable screen ensures visibility even in bright outdoor conditions, such as oil rigs or open-pit mines. When it comes to hazardous locations, safety is non-negotiable. The M101AD-EX is fully certified for use in explosive environments, with ATEX Zone 2, IECX, and Class 1 Division 2 certifications. These markings confirm compliance with global safety standards, ensuring safe operation in areas where flammable gases or vapors may be present. In practical terms, oilfield inspectors can safely enter Zone 2 environments without the risk of sparks or ignition. Beyond certifications, the M101AD-EX is feature-rich. It includes integrated Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS for seamless connectivity. Optional 4G or 5G modules provide real-time data access, even in remote areas. The anti-glare display minimizes reflections, critical during visual inspections in bright sunlight. With its hot-swappable battery design, workers can replace batteries without shutting down operations, ideal for extended shifts on offshore rigs or underground sites. This ATEX rugged tablet is suited to diverse industrial applications. In the oil and gas sector, it supports inspection and maintenance of pipelines, drilling rigs, and refineries in hazardous zones. For instance, during offshore inspections, engineers can document corrosion, annotate images, and upload reports instantly. The tablet enables secure data collection, capturing pressure, flow, and temperature readings via connected sensors. For equipment monitoring, it syncs with SCADA systems to visualize machine health and reduce unplanned downtime. In the chemical industry, where safety and precision are essential, the tablet enables real-time process monitoring from within hazardous zones. During batch production, operators can adjust parameters and log outputs directly. With optional barcode scanning, personnel can manage hazardous material inventories across the facility. It also enhances quality control. Lab technicians can record results and sync them instantly with the central ERP system. In the mining sector, the M101AD-EX provides a rugged advantage. It supports underground mapping, helping mine workers track shaft development using GPS and 3D mapping tools. Reliable field communication ensures teams stay connected during daily operations and emergencies. During safety inspections, the tablet helps document findings, access digital protocols, and issue instant reports, ensuring compliance with strict mining regulations. The Winmate ATEX Rugged Tablet M101AD-EX is trusted across hazardous industries for a reason. It's certified safe, rugged, and reliable. Whether you're monitoring equipment, conducting inspections, or collecting data, this tablet gets the job done anytime, anywhere. And with Winmate's expert support, you're backed by a team that understands ATEX-certified mobility solutions. Thank you for listening. For more information or inquiries about our products, feel free to contact us. Winmate is here to help you select the right device for your industrial needs.